the second video about Pascal programming A plus B problem. Today we will cover on the variables and the calculation in Pascal. And so let's get started. So you need to open the Lazarus file and use project as your first sentence. Today is A plus B problem. And then we need to use the begin and end system. But today we need to plug in everything between this as what the first video say. But today we need to add a new thing, that is var. Var stands for the variables that you need to use in the whole program. And today we'll have A and B. Let them all be integer. Integer is a variable type in Pascal, and it means an integer that range from negative to I forgot, but it has a smaller range of integer, but it's all integer, and we just focus on as the first data type we know. And first we need to input the A and B so we can calculate them afterwards. Read line A, B. Then you need to input A and B by your keyboard when the program starts. And we need to write line to output the A plus B. And remember a column here. And A plus B is if you don't have the quotation mark here, it output the value, that means output an integer here. And we need to see our output here, so we read line. And so now we can run our program. It is not available, or I press it wrong, sorry. It's program. And then we run it. Let's see this. I think it doesn't allow the A here, A B program. Okay. Yeah. And now we can see that we input A and B. Let's play 1 and 2, and it output 3. So we can run it again and test if all integer is okay with this. Let's input a larger thing, that 15 and 95, and we have 145. So this is the program, and this is A plus B program. But I still have other things to say. Let's run the program again. Now I input 9999999 and 555555. Oh, it's still running, but it's very large, and let's have a larger number. I have 1000 and 20009, and let's output, and it's a negative. How can you choose positive integers to output a negative? That means our program isn't work properly. So we need to change something. So what do we need to change? That is the data type of the integer. Integer has a smaller limit that it's not allowed to plug in some very big numbers. So let's change it to long int and try. If it's long int, the range will be larger. And let's have 555559 and 44445. And that's still not big enough. As we can see, it's not big enough. So if long int isn't big enough, we have int 64, and that is really large. If you want a data type that is larger than this, that is, I can't think of any. So it's 555559 and 55554, and it really output the correct number. And so that is about the data type and variables and calculation, and we'll have some maths problem next. And yeah, so we found this Pascal data type, and we can see what we mentioned, the three, that is integer, long int, and int64, and we found the range of it, and we can see that integer is the smallest and int64 is the largest. But why we use integer if it had a smaller range? But we use it because the bytes is smaller, and you can run the program faster if you don't need such a big number. So we use integer and long int and int64. And this is the three basics you need to know about integer. And you won't need to know lots of about integer, and yeah, it's just the three is possibly all you have to know for short of time. So this is the end of video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe Maths Fever. So because we just get started, your subscribe is really important to us. So thanks for watching, and have a good weekend.